Welcome to our channel. Today we how to start investing in stocks with Charles Schwab step by step clearly. To start investing in stocks with Charles Schwab, first visit the Charles Schwab website. Click on the Open an Account button prominently displayed on the homepage. Choose the type of account you wish to open, such as an individual brokerage account or a retirement account. Fill out the online application form with your personal information, including your name, address, and social security number. Provide your financial information, including your income, net worth, and investment experience. Review the terms and conditions and click Agree to proceed with your application. Submit your application and wait for confirmation from Charles Schwab. Once your account is approved, log in to the Schwab platform using your credentials. Familiarize yourself with the dashboard, which includes your portfolio, market tools, and educational resources. Deposit funds into your account using a bank transfer, wire transfer, or by mailing a check. Once funds are available, research stocks you are interested in by utilizing Schwab's extensive research tools. Use the search bar to look up specific stocks or explore the market by sector. Analyze stock performance, financial ratios, and news articles to inform your investment decisions. When you find a stock you want to purchase, click on the Trade button. Input the ticker symbol of the stock, choose the number of shares, and select a market or limit order. Confirm your trade and review the order details before submitting. Monitor your investments regularly through the portfolio section of the Schwab platform. Consider setting up alerts for stocks you're monitoring to stay informed about market movements. Continue to educate yourself about investing through Schwab's educational resources and webinars. Over time, develop a diversified portfolio to manage risk effectively in your investments. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.